Okay, so now that we've got all our settings in our screen, it's time to actually set up the mechanical. So the height of the peel plate and the positions of the guide rails. You can see here that we are missing our brush mount. That brush mount has simply been removed for the purposes of clarity for this video. We will reinstall it before actually labeling. So, first thing I'm going to do is just place my, my container against my back guide rail and move my front guide rail in to a point that guides the container without pinching it anywhere. So you don't want to be tight on the container, we just want to guide it as much as necessary to accurately position the label. So I've got my guide rails adjusted now. I'm going to next adjust the height of my peel plate. So starting with the height, I'm going to start to crank this top wheel down. And I'm looking for no more than a couple millimeters of space between the container and the peel plate. So I've got the peel plate to a height that seems like a good place to start. The plate itself is maybe 3 millimeters above the container. And there is maybe a millimeter or so of clearance between the actual label that's sticking off of the plate and the container itself. But we can see that I'm still a little far to the front of the container relative to the label position. So I'm going to use this wheel in the front to crank the head back